trying to design the button that goes on the top of this mechanical eraser. I have this design and this design. Let's talk about it. Okay, so here we have a concave groove, and here we have a square groove. When these plastic rings are installed, we can see this one allows a little bit more spring force, whereas this one has no spring to it. If you measure with calipers, you can see it has about 7 thou of spring to it. The button with the square groove has almost no spring to it. When installed into the top, it has virtually no play because of that spring force. This one, on the other hand, does help with the play, but has a little bit of wiggle still. One of the major disadvantages to this convex design is that this peak ring doesn't want to stay in place as well. This could cause problems when somebody takes the button in and out. So I need to come up with a solution to this, or maybe just redesign the whole thing. I'm still not sure what to do yet, but I'm getting closer to a design that is really, really nice. Follow along for the rest of the journey. I'm posting everything about designing this mechanical eraser. I'd love to have you with me for this entire journey.